Okay, this is IELTS speaking part 1 and I'm going to ask you a number of different questions and you have to answer these questions happily. Okay? मुस्कुराते हुए जवाब देना है. So let's make a start from you. Do you listen to music?
Yes, of course. I like music most of time. Uh, Continue
You need to
करूँ?
give a full answer, at least 5 to 6
Yes,
sentences.
mostly I like lyrics music as well as classic music. I believe that music provide a lot of good effects related to
Okay,
mood.
that's good. So try to talk clearly
जी.
and briefly. Now let's go on. What type of music do you like to listen to?
Mostly I prefer classic music, but it depend upon my
It
mood.
depends upon my
It
mood.
depend upon my mood. Sometimes I feel happy and then I listen such type of music, and sometimes I feel lazy and sluggish.
Sluggish.
So then I listen such type of
Yeah,
music.
I listen to slow music,
Slow
I listen
music
to sad
and
music.
sad music. Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. So just try to expand your answer and then conclude. One more question. What's your favorite musical instrument?
Guitar. I like listen to guitar.
I like listening to guitar.
Because its tone is always fascinating me and provide a good effects of my mood, and it re-energetic me,
It re-energizes me.
re-energizing me, as well as it make happy my mood.
Okay, you need to improve your grammar as well. It make happy, my mood is
My
wrong.
mood.
It makes me feel happy.
Okay.
Okay, so focus your grammar, focus all these topics, you'll be fine. Now let's talk to you, and I'm going to ask you some questions. What's your favorite drink, tea or coffee?
My favorite drink is tea,
Why?
um, because I love to drink it.
Okay, there should be some logical. Actually, examiner wants to check your English, right? If you say, "What's your favorite?" My favorite drink is tea. Why? I like it. Okay, you need to give full answer because you will speak English in front of the examiner and then you get band score. So let's go on. Do you prefer to have tea alone or with your family?
I prefer to have tea with my friends or with my family, mostly at evening with my mother.
Okay. Do you know how to make tea?
Yes, I know how to make it.
Okay, I need a full answer. Yes, I know how to make tea and I make delicious tea. My family members enjoy a lot, and mostly in the evening, I usually make tea. Something like that, okay? So answer should be full. Now, let's go on. Do you prefer to have tea with sugar or without sugar?
I prefer to have tea with sugar because sugarless tea is like drinking
You're drinking hot water?
hot water or something like that.
Okay. Your answers are extremely short. You need to add some more. If your answers are short, examiner will say time and again, why? And then you'll be uncomfortable. What's wrong with the examiner? Because examiner wants you to talk more. So please express yourselves, right? Thank you so much.
Yes,